fairy tale is it? I don't know. You're a robot. A flower. Okio. Okio.
Yeah, good job.
Me. Oh, no. I guess the answer. My turn to act.
A bear? Oh, a monster.
A flower?
A butterfly?
Ooh, east.
Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
Flower? Beast and the Booty. Yes!
A flower. But that's not a fairy tale.
Yeah, but I like it.
Don't you want to play? What's wrong?
Are you bored? You don't like the flowers?
We didn't give you a chance to guess, and you want to act too. Of course, that's it. It's playtime. Quickly, panda bag. Costumes, audience, scenery. We're all going to act. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. You're about to see the 4 little piggies and a wolf.
I am a princess.
But you aren't a princess. You're a little piggy.
I am a princess.
Little piggy.
Princess.
Piggy. And that's final.
Wolf.
No.
It's just that the wolves are too smart. You'll do better as a pig. Oh, who could it be? It must be the big bad frog.
Okay. Not so big and bad.
Would you like to snack on some strawberries?
He wants to snack on a piggy. He's going to eat you.
Huh? Open up.
Now you're safe. Being an actor rocks. Tail is making me hungry.
Hey, flowers don't eat. Let's see if you're a better flower than a piggy. Ow!
Hey!
Milk! Now you have.
And they all lived happily ever after. How cool!
Incredible!
How fun! And now I know what I want to be when I grow up. An actress!